Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we dive into the coolest products and gadgets that are actually worth your time and money. Today, we're cutting through the noise on Temu's viral gadgets. I've tested a ton of stuff, and I'm here to bring you the top 5 that actually do what they promise. And just so you know, I've dropped links to each of these gadgets down in the description, so you don't have to go searching for them if anything catches your eye. These are the kinds of gadgets that make life easier, more fun, or just a bit cooler. Ready? Let's dive in. Think all viral gadgets are just hype? Well, here are 5 Temu gadgets that actually live up to the buzz. And trust me, you'll want to add these to your cart before they sell out. Let's get right into it because these are the gadgets you didn't know you needed. Here's the deal. Online shopping can be a bit of a gamble, especially with viral gadgets. It's way too easy to get excited by a product that looks amazing in photos or videos, only to find out it's either poorly made or doesn't work as advertised. The problem is, with so many gadgets on Temu blowing up on social media, how do you know which ones are actually worth your money? No one wants to waste cash on gadgets that look cool but just end up collecting dust on a shelf. That's why I've done the research for you. I went through the top trending products on Temu, tested them out, and found 5 that are not only useful but live up to all the hype. Let's get started with gadget number 1 on our list, something that everyone could use in their everyday life: a compact portable blender. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I really need a portable blender? Let me tell you, this one actually surprised me. Not only is it small enough to throw in your bag, but it's powerful enough to blend up smoothies, protein shakes, and even crush ice. Imagine being able to make a fresh smoothie right at your desk or at the gym. And it's USB rechargeable, so you can juice it up anywhere. If you're someone who's always on the go and loves a quick, healthy snack, this little gadget is a game changer. It's not just for show. It's genuinely useful and built to last. Moving on to gadget number 2, the LED alarm clock with a wireless charger. This one's all about convenience. Picture this: it's late, you're crawling into bed, and your phone's almost dead. With this gadget, you just drop your phone onto the clock and it starts charging wirelessly. No fumbling around in the dark for a charging cable. Plus, it's a fully functional alarm clock with a clean, minimalist design that looks great on any bedside table. If you hate clutter or are tired of wires everywhere, this one is a must-have. All right, gadget number 3 is for all the home organizers out there: a magnetic spice rack. I know it might sound simple, but hear me out. This little gadget attaches to the side of your fridge, saving tons of space in your cabinets. No more digging through jars to find that one spice you need. It's all right there, at eye level and super easy to access. Plus, it adds a little something to your kitchen decor. Practical, affordable, and honestly a lifesaver if you like to keep things organized. Now let's talk about gadget number 4, and this one's for all the pet owners watching: an automatic pet water fountain. If you have pets, you know how important it is to keep their water fresh. This gadget takes care of that by circulating water constantly, keeping it clean and appealing for your pets. No more worrying about your pet drinking stale water. And it even has a little LED light, so you and your pet can find it in the dark. It's one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you see how convenient it is. And finally, gadget number 5, a handheld vacuum cleaner for small messes. Now, I know a vacuum might not sound that exciting, but this one is different. It's super compact, cordless, and surprisingly powerful. Imagine spilling crumbs in your car or on your desk. Instead of dragging out a big vacuum or dealing with a dustpan, you just grab this little thing and it takes care of it in seconds. It's small enough to keep in your car's glove compartment or your office drawer, and it makes cleaning up quick and easy. This gadget is all about making life a bit more hassle-free, and honestly, I've found myself using it way more than I expected. Hit subscribe to keep up with more Temu gadget finds that are actually worth it, or check out the next video here to see more cool products. So, those are the 5 viral Temu gadgets that, in my opinion, actually deserve all the hype. Each of these products not only looks cool, but has a practical use that genuinely makes life easier. Whether it's blending up a smoothie on the go, getting rid of cable clutter, keeping your spices organized, ensuring your pet has fresh water, or making quick cleanups easier, these gadgets actually bring value and aren't just gimmicks. This is the kind of stuff that actually makes you wonder how you managed without it. So to sum it up, these gadgets didn't just meet my expectations, they totally exceeded them. Each one brings something unique to the table with quality and functionality that make them worth every penny. If you've been hesitant about jumping into the world of viral gadgets, these 5 products are a great place to start. They're useful, well-made, and most importantly, they do exactly what they're supposed to.